Hey guys, Delmedico SVG. We're not in the Speakeasy, we're next door in my office with the CEO and founder of SOLO, Dan Larkin. SOLO is the well-known digital sales presentation platform for people selling solar and also potentially roof proposals here in the near future.
Yeah, we're really excited about it. And thanks for having me. Really appreciate being here with you guys. Yeah. Love what you're doing. Glad to be here talking with you guys.
Dan is going to be sitting on our first ever solar panel. We've got a lot of conversions going on for roofing restoration contractors that want to learn how to tap into solar. And it's not about the sun and the solar per se. It's about the financial savings, the financing options, the add-on financing, and the tax deductions. So we say green, we're not talking about Joe Biden green, you guys. We're talking about the green in your pocket and the green in your customer's pocket. As you guys know, so the solar industry panel, guys, we at the Wind and Storm Conference and Tradeshow Expo in Dallas, Storm Capital, February 14th, 15th, and 16th. And we got a hell of a lineup up there, Farhad. Who's on that panel?
Hey guys, we have obviously Dan Larkin coming in, CEO of Solo. We got the president, Pablo Diaz with CERC. CEO of Titan Solar Power, David Williamson, coming back again. We got the executives from Goodleap. We got some executives from K2's racking systems, which we use on all of our installs. And then we have some of our top performing dealers right now that are the top in the industry.
Kimba and Josh Lucero.
Absolutely, guys. And then we got Lucent Energy, which is a Tesla certified installer that's going to be here. We have Aparna Mahola, which is the VP of Give Power. And we have Harry, which is the CEO and actually a solar panel manufacturer. So
and he's taking on China. He's taking on China.
Got the who's who of the solar world.
And that's what we're doing. We're just bringing everyone from all the industries together, so that way it's available to all of our clients and customers out there on SVG.
Well, one of our goals this year, guys, we like to bring new flavors, new revenue streams, new profit centers, new ways of doing business to the Wind and Storm Conference. It's not just about storm. It's about roofing. It's about restoration. It's about rebuilding communities. It's about adding value to property owners. And this year, that new thing is solar. And solar is a $183 billion plus growing rapidly industry. Storm is a $100 billion plus property casualty on a storm side industry, with roofing being a primary trade. So it only makes sense when you tie all this together to bring these two mammoth industries together, which is why we're going to now, we've had the Solar Elements, it's going to be the largest roofing restoration and solar conference in America. And we're excited about it.
We're expecting almost between 8,000 to 10,000 people this year. It's going to be our biggest show yet.
7 on the low side, 10 on the high side. Don't hold me to 10, but I'm going to do everything it takes to hit 10,000. So let's talk a little bit about, Dan, your background, what got you into. Now, I'll just tell these guys. Some of these guys have used your platform, and I've used it myself. We created a training video. It's an incredible platform to present something complicated, kilowatts, energy bills, tax deductions, proposals, and you really simplified that process in a beautiful mosaic of digital presentation that makes our solar dealers happy because they're signing a lot of solar deals along with their roof proposals, whether they're insurance claims or roof upgrades, and paying for deductibles with those add-on financing. But you really simplified the digital presentation part of that, which I think is hugely important at the kitchen table.
Well, it was actually, I'm glad you brought it up that way. Like, when I first started selling solar, it took me 4 hours to get through the process. I'm like, my guys can't do this. I could barely do this. Yeah. Like, we got to fix this. Back then, it was like a 9-month process to actually get solar installed, and you had to be a die-hard, go green, both to sell it and to buy it at the time, and it wasn't very financially sound. Like, it didn't really save people a ton of money. It was a really hard sale. And just getting through the process, there's 5 or 6 different software platforms every sales rep had to learn. And so you couldn't actually be a very confident and successful salesperson without being this extremely tech savvy, almost a solar guru to even get through a conversation with a homeowner. And so when I was very first approaching homeowners about solar, I'm like, there's no way that I can recruit sales reps or have my sales reps at my company that was selling other products sell solar also as an add-on. It just wasn't really feasible. And so in order to make it easier, we just kept developing new features and products to simplify and centralize and automate, and 10 years later almost, this is kind of the accumulation of all of those small fine tuning and adjustments and developments that we've made. And we're really
So you sat a lot at those kitchen tables.
Oh, yeah.
Experience that pain.
Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them for a lot of years. And it's a lot of that kind of psychology of the sales process. That's what Solo's all about. It's a conversion tool, right? It's meant to help people who don't need to know everything about solar understand exactly what to do through that process, so that they can help a homeowner understand what's important to them in the buying process of going solar.
And the way Solo flows, it just flows naturally from start to finish, right? And you know everything to touch base on, which is a beautiful way to present it to a homeowner.
Yeah, and honestly, it's the same conversation for roofers as it is for a homeowner, right? A roofing contractor needs to realize that the world is changing, right? There is a massive tidal wave of this solar movement that's coming, and you can either get crushed by it or get on it, right? And that is
By the way, I was
is.
one of those anti-solar guys up until about a year ago.
Up until you met me, actually.
So I met these guys, and I thought, I kept seeing all this solar going on, like Sun City, and it's, these aren't like mansions. I'm like, how are all these old ladies with no money affording all these solar panels? I said, that must be a hell of a salesman. And I seen these kids ride around on bikes selling solar and stuff like that. I'm like, so it was an interesting industry, but it's growing. And then when I met Farhad and got into it, I realized the financing, the utility bill sale is real, the reduction. But I think for the guys watching this right now is the incredible opportunity they had on financing.
Yeah.
1.49% down to 0.99%, 25 years. For those deductibles, roof upgrades, re-roofs, even windows, doors, and siding. And to be able to tie that in on a 25-year loan to somebody who has no money today, and upgrade their home and reduce their utility bill. And some of the guys watching this right now are now active solar dealers. I think we added 210 solar dealers in the last 9 months.
Yeah, it's been
6 months.
A lot of work to keep up. You guys are crushing it. And honestly, most roofing companies, they're in the homes with homeowners talking about their roof where the sun shines all the time, and it's a perfect segue. But they just need that guidance, and that you guys have done a fantastic job putting together a program that any roofer can plug into and really quickly, if not immediately, find success in selling solar as an add-on to roofing.
Yeah, we literally found that. We literally onboarded a company, and within 2 days they already had their first deal in.
That's amazing.
It's a beautiful process.
When I started selling solar, it would take a sales rep 3 months to get their first deal. 3 months just to get one deal. And then they'd be lucky to get maybe a deal or two a month, right? It's so fun to hear how our tool is being leveraged, and to create new wealth building opportunities for anybody who can just plug in with you guys.
The homeowner can sell it.
What's unique about yours, you're not just a presentation, but you're actually tied in with the lenders. You're tied in with the installers. And it's a complete package in that proposal of financing opportunities.
We call it a conversion tool more than a presentation tool.
I like that word.
Because every opportunity within our tool is meant to customize, and each customization, you can use it as a value building proposition, right? So you can do tie down closes and A/B closes, and you follow that psychology of a sale rather than just a rote presentation that's stagnant, right? Stagnant presentations, if you need to change anything, you can say, hey, I'll be back in a few days with a couple of changes and we'll go over that, right? And now you can use this as a closing tool, and you can use the roof itself as a lever to create additional wealth by adding on solar. And the financing, which is essentially the key here, right, is we were the first ones to actually introduce integrated dynamic financing into solar tools. Before that, it was they're separate systems.
Right.
So you'd create a design, you'd have a PDF, you'd show them the design, you'd show them a PDF with their savings number, then you would go log in to run their credit, and you could never actually tie in any adders or add-ons or upsells.
Jumping back and forth, all these different pages, where now Solo just made it all under one
Yeah.
Really nice and easy for the users, which is really awesome.
And it's, I mean, the concept of being able to calculate the cost of a roofing premium or a re-roof into your solar sale, that didn't exist until Solo had the tools to be able to do it, and smart roofing contractors like you were able to connect those dots and really take it from there.
Well, think about, not just people that want to upgrade their home to resell it. I mean, we're in a booming market, so everyone wants to remodel their home, hopefully flip it here in a year or two or whatnot. But think about Hurricane Ida, New Orleans, 2% deductibles. Tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of roofs are going to be replaced. Most of those people don't have 2 to 5% of that home value sitting around a deductible. That's $10,000 to $25,000 in deductibles. You can now use a financing tool. You got to attach the solar to it with Solo and get that deductible paid for as part of that financing opportunity, or upgrade the roof from whatever they had. That helps Mrs. Smith out, who has no money, speed up and get her roof done faster.
Yeah.
Otherwise, what is she going to do?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, these two industries are coming together for sure, and it's happening.
Storm solar synergy.
There you go.
1 + 1 = 99, not 2. Yeah, we're excited, man. We're excited to have you guys. I think the CEO of Good Leap's coming. We talked to him yesterday.
Nice.
Some of the big installers are coming, and I think there's a big tie-in here on a synergy side to the storm industry. And so we're excited. Also, I know you want a sneak preview here. Show us a little bit. You're also coming out now with a aerial diagram and roof proposal feature using the same mosaic digital presentation technology that you did with solar, but on the roofing side itself, even if they don't do solar.
Yeah, we'll save the sneak peek for
WTS.
For WTS, so you got to come check it out.
Tickets, guys. We're gonna have a special breakout just for Solo and the new products that they're gonna be launching in 2022, and you guys are not gonna want to miss it. It's gonna be pretty epic.
And you don't have to do solar to get the new roof proposal, the digital roof proposal. So you got 2 options.
Exactly. I mean, a lot of our technology, it revolves around aerial imagery and measurements, and this, just like the solar industry and the roofing industry are coming together, there's just too many similarities in our own technology to ignore this massive industry of roofing. So it was a very natural next step for us in creating a standalone roofing proposal product.
Makes your jobs a lot easier.
Have you guys attended any other conferences on let's say specifically on a roofing restoration side, like the IRE or anything like that?
Yeah, we've attended IRE, mainly still doing a lot of market research. We've been working with great guys like yourselves and the people at GAF and Certainteed and others to come out with a pretty interesting product, working with some of the big CRMs out there to get integrated to make this a product that can tap right into all roofing companies' best practices and operational flows. And we're confident that we can come to the market with something new and unique and find new ways to help drive value both for the contractors and the homeowner. And we'll have a couple of cool surprises in there at Win the Storm. So definitely come
guys,
by.
Dan just took us through a little sneak peek on this new proposal, and it's one of the best things I've seen in the industry. So you guys make sure you get those tickets to show up to our show, February 14th through the 16th. It's going to be
I'm sure you guys will also have in addition to the panel, you probably have a breakout session. So if guys want to learn more about this or your traditional solo program, they come in, maybe play around and learn how to use that.
Yeah, and we'd love to support the industry the best we can, get you guys converting more opportunities, and at every opportunity be able to pivot that conversation towards solar. There's just so much value for the homeowner and for the contractor. It's a win-win-win-win. Yep. There are too many reasons to do it, to not find good plug-ins for the contractor to be able to shift towards solar.
Not if you don't know this, Dan, but we're having it's called it used to be the Super Bowl mindset, but I got a cease and desist from the NFL. Hopefully they're not watching this right now. Can't say the word Super Bowl. I said it. So we changed it to the Roofer Bowl mindset. So we got Herschel Walker. He's a Hall of Famer, Heisman Trophy winner. Coach Jimmy Johnson, he took Dallas to the Super Bowl a few times. He's a little older, but he's still got a lot of energy. He's a Fox News commenter, and we just thought it was appropriate right after Super Bowl weekend to bring on a Super Bowl mindset. We got the Dallas Cowboy Cheerleaders live, 3 performances. So they'll be at the Roofer Bowl party on Sunday, doing a live performance to AC/DC Thunderstruck, which is some of you guys know, they're old school WTS attendees. That was our theme song 2 years in a row. Then I got forbidden from playing it again from Autumn. And now we're bringing it back for one last time here in 2022. But we're excited about that. I think there's a lot of similarities between a coach assembling a large sales organization, a coach assembling a team to win a Super Bowl, and an owner, entrepreneur, or a key manager assembling a sales team or a group of key managers to try to win at business every year. We all do the same thing. And I think there's a similarity and a message there. And so a winning coach and a winning player, I think top producers could connect with the player. And a lot of you owners, entrepreneurs will probably be able to connect with the coach. And dealing with the attitude entitlement of those top performers, it all goes hand in hand. So we're excited about that. And,
you don't know anything about that, do you?
No.
Excited to have you guys on a trade show floor, and then on the solar panels, and help bridge the gap between these two industries. I think there's a lot of synergy there. So,
guys, one cool thing to remember is that Solo holds a live training every other Tuesday for all of your sales reps out there. And for owner and admin trainings, that's every other Thursday that they host these events. So you guys are getting the emails. Make sure you log on, sign up for the classes and the trainings, because it's a live training that Solo actually puts on for all of its users. So definitely take advantage of that.
But first, we got to convert you to a solar dealer if you're not. So let's go through that step first.
Yeah.
Because we'd like to convert solar dealers and then get them trained in, and we'll give them access to the training.
Yeah.
So guys, we're excited about Win a Storm. If you haven't watched this before, it's in Dallas, Storm Capital. And that's February 14th, 15th, and 16th, 2022. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a record conference for us. We got record ticket sales. Kurt Liddington just booked in with 120 tickets today. 120 tickets.
Awesome.
He's bringing all the sales guys across several states. A lot of other guys are too. It's going to be exciting. Look forward to seeing you guys soon. Booyah, baby!
See you guys on the next one.
See you guys.